At its core, it's built around the financial system. So it's the accounting system for organizations. And they can be small single company UK-based entities or global reach rollouts, with Business Central being available in over 170 countries with localizations and dealing with local VAT and fiscal rules. It's so much more. When you install Business Central, it installs all of the functionality that's in there, and the term Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, might be used. What that really means is it's a platform that could run the whole business. Whether it does or not is up to you as the client, but it covers, in terms of supply chain, all of the purchasing and replenishment, through to warehousing, so as the goods come in they can all be processed, through to manufacturing, if that's your industry and you want to actually build those products, through to actual sales of those and distributions, sending them out through the warehouse, but also managing sales orders, sales quotes, sales pricing, and everything else. There's even an element of CRM in there, so if you're not running a large sales team, you can also use the CRM functionality and maybe use that to start with as you grow into it, and then potentially look at the standalone apps, something like D365 Sales. So it's an end-to-end solution. But if you're not involved with products and moving items around, maybe professional services, there's a full job accounting, so project accounting solution, which will cover things like task management, resource allocations, and billing, and things like WIP and revenue recognition. There's also key modules in there around sustainability, which is becoming more prevalent. So that's built into the purchasing and the and able to track all your emissions. There's also subscription management if you're in an industry that has recurring billing, and again, revenue recognition is very important. And within the finance aspects, there's the core finance, but there's things like consolidation, there's an integrated fixed asset ledger, there's integrated banking, of course, that flows through. So it's got all of the competencies around the requirements that a medium to large business would need, so you can grow into that. The other thing that it's also got is something called Microsoft AppSource, which if you go to appsource.microsoft.com, is over 8,500 extensions to the product. So these are things that are written by partners that add on to the functionality. Some of them might be localizations required for smaller countries. Some of them may be very specific, for instance, extending the ability to use handheld devices in warehouses. Some of them may be solutions that interface with Business Central around financial planning and analysis, or forecasting, or external solutions. So we can then look at those as well, rather than just build code from scratch, though you still have a development environment within Business Central. So ultimately what it is an end-to-end platform that will run your business based using the core functionality, along with all of these AppSource extensions, and the ability to then use things like the Power Platform, the other apps within the Microsoft Dynamics 365 environment, and actually, if needed, some specific code for your business to basically deliver rich returns on investment and value to your organization.